Hi guys, I'm here with another unboxing video. I'm still closing my child's wishes, and here's one of them. I'll try to unbox her very gently, but I'm not sure I will succeed. Yep. I think if you're Barbie liker, you already know who she is. Very exciting moment. Yeah. This is Barbie Totally Hair, Brunette. And she should be unboxed, but I have the feeling that she was. Well, it's not a problem for me. I wanted to unbox her anyway, because I can't keep it all in the box. Isn't she perfect? Oh my god. Well, when I was kid, I was in love with this doll because of her costume and long hair. And I wanted brunette because I don't have Barbies of this mold with dark hair. Mostly they are blondes. Okay, let's unbox her. Oops. Yeah, something fell. Oh, I love these plats. It tells about her styles. And this is perfect. Very nice. Yeah, it looks like she was unboxed for what? Yeah, she left some hairs. Okay, here she is. I think she needs a brush. Don't have her hair. I love her makeup. It's very nice. Okay, I'm gonna play with her a bit. Okay, I gently brushed my new girl and moisturized her hair with this spray for synthetic wigs. I love it very much and use it on all my dolls now. It helps to brush and untangle synthetic hair, very handy. It's the whole hair I have brushed, and it's quite a lot. Should be much less about it, but I think it was destroyed with try of restoring her hair. As I said, it never was the issue. I just love that she has long hair and she's very beautiful. Look at her face. She's gorgeous. And I like her outfit, especially this one is very nice colors, and love the shoes. I definitely love all Barbies. They were just so cute. That's it for now. Bye.